Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your AirTalk wireless SIM card. The easiest way is through the AirTalk wireless website. Go to their activation page and you'll be guided by their chat booth. Enter your SIM card details or scan the QR code on the packaging. After that, follow the steps for biometric verification. Choose your plan and complete the setup. Once done, your SIM should activate shortly. You can also activate by phone. Just call 1-800-TALK. Follow the automated instructions and provide the required information like your SIM number and personal details for identity verification. A representative may assist you if needed. And that's it. Your AirTalk wireless SIM will be ready to use in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.